It's been more than a year since Khalid Sheikh Mohammed and 4 other defendants were arraigned for allegedly planning the September 11th attacks. Does Mohammed's lawyer believe his client is getting a fair trial in the military commission at Guantanamo Bay?
Oh, absolutely not. Not even close. This is the way this thing is set up. It's a shadow of the way a real defense of any criminal case in the United States, it's a shadow of what that would look like.
Nevin says one reason for that is an issue that has dominated this week's pretrial hearing, a proposed deal, or MOU, that would allow him to obtain classified evidence from the prosecution. The trade-off is that Nevin would not be allowed to show or discuss that evidence with Mohammed, something every person tried in a U.S. civilian court would be able to access.
Mr. Mohammed is entitled to see the evidence and to take what steps he can to rebut it, to explain it, to say there's this other thing you should know about this piece of evidence that is not in it here, and so on. And this is magnified in importance in a death penalty case.
The other major roadblock, Nevin's inability to discuss with his client the torture Mohammed suffered after he was captured in Rawalpindi, Pakistan in 2003.
The things I'm allowed to talk about and not talk about. And you know, when he tells me, when he raises the most important aspects of the case, and I have to tell him I can't talk about that, then that's a problem. It's very, very hard to develop trust under those circumstances.
But Nevin says he is committed to defending Mohammed as best he can, mainly because he believes the U.S. Constitution requires him to do no less. Rosiland, Al Jazeera, Guantanamo Bay, Cuba.